Okay, so Gala, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies for the long term, one of my favorite blue chips is down 41% in the last month. I'm looking at this as a great opportunity to accumulate. All right, this is where money is made in crypto. You have to buy on red days, not on green days. I've learned my lesson. Chasing green candlesticks will get you wrecked 100% of the time, pretty much, right? I did it last year. I chased some of the green that we saw late last year, and shouldn't have done that. I learned from it, and I should have been buying more back in June, July, before the bull market hit late last year. Now, will we get back into a bull market later this year? Um, I don't know for sure, but I think so. I think so. I still think there is a bull run in store for us here in 2022. So even if it comes in 2023, I want to gear up and get ready. And one of the assets I want to accumulate is Gala. Now, it's still up 794% on the year, right? Because this thing was trading last July at 0.006, okay, which is absolutely crazy, right? Last June, 0.006, well under 1 cent. Now, we are sitting at 13 cents. We've seen a bunch of growth here from Gala still in the 1 year. We are actually lower than that $1 billion market cap now, currently at 935 million. But a lot of crypto projects, as you can see here on the bubbles, really feeling the pain today. Bitcoin is down to 34.4 right now, Ethereum at 2,500 and some change. But let's jump into Gala a little bit more. This green line that you see, this lime green line, that is volume. Okay. That is the amount of volume coming in. Okay, just crazy amounts of volume. Look back in November. Look at this run. I mean, this was insane. We were sitting at 8 cents down here. Okay. We bounced even up to, 11 cents down here. And of course, we are in now, I would say, somewhat of a bear market, right? It could get worse, but we're seeing altcoins now down 70, 80, 90%. This is what we expect when we get into a bear market. All right. So we could see here that there was a big downturn from this 26 cents mark, and then we just came flying down. Now, we are holding the line a little bit here, okay, at 13 cents. We've been here basically since April 30th. We did dip a little bit lower than that. We got down to 12 cents. That's our low point right now. But we came back up and we did kind of find some support here, at least here in the short term, at 13 cents. Now, will we bounce off this? A lot of it will depend on market conditions. But some things that I'm looking at on my end, some details about where we think Gala could be heading in the next month or so, could be around 10 cents. So we could come back to these levels here again, okay, where we saw it here at 9 and 10 cents in this range where it consolidated here for a very long time, okay. We are seeing, I mean, a lot of crypto projects look like this right now, whether they're blue chips, whether they're small caps. Right around this time period, end of March, beginning of April, we have just seen a downhill slide. It has been a brutal run right now for crypto. And we look at some of the technicals, we could see we have a strong sell right now in the 1 day on the moving averages. If we go into the 1 week, we still have a strong sell. And the overall summary is a sell signal as well. All of our moving averages, the 10-day, 20-day, 30-day, showing a sell. Okay. The only thing that's showing a buy here over on the oscillator side of things is momentum. We are holding the line. I will say that about Gala. But here's the thing. Here's how I'm playing it right now. I started really accumulating a bunch of Gala around 16 cents. I have bought the dip lower than that. I like this price target here at 13 cents, but I'm prepared for us to go a little bit lower. I'm preparing for the worst here and preparing maybe for us to go down to 10 cents. So I have some money on the sidelines that I want to put in Gala right now, but I'm not going to put it all in right here at 13 cents. Okay. And I'm not going to get upset if it goes up to 15 or 16 cents tomorrow if we get a bullish, run at some point here. Right. Because I'm playing the long game here on Gala, but I am holding off some money in preparation that we do go a little bit lower here on Gala down to that 10-cent range. And that's where I'll be loading up a little bit more, right? So right now I'm just kind of dollar cost averaging into these assets like Gala, and we'll see what happens. We have been in a bearish trend for a long time, and I want to see us break that, right? We have now to the upside. We have some, um, resistance. Sorry, lost my train of thought Our resistance point, our next resistance point is around that 22 to 24 cent range to the upside. Okay, 22 to 24 cents. That's where we'll face some stiff resistance right now if we get really going and we get heated up here and the market comes brewing back. But we'll see. We head into Monday tomorrow. And if you're watching this at a different time, we're on a weekend right now where, we usually don't get a lot of action, but it has been a brutal bloodbath of a weekend here in the crypto market. And I don't know what this will say for the futures here in the stock market coming up. Could be brutal on Monday as well. So we will see where we go from here. And thank you all so much for tuning in. Let me know your thoughts about Gala. It is still one of my favorite assets. I want to accumulate it. It is going to be, in my opinion, a very, very solid crypto project in the future. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor. But hammer that like button, subscribe if you like this entertainment and you like this kind of content. So thank you all so much. Happy Mother's Day out there. Take care, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video.